Hello students, today in this video we will discuss chapter 9 decimals, multiplication and division of decimals. We will discuss first of all multiplication of decimals. Multiplication. Suppose we have a number 7.2. Okay, we multiply this number by 10. The decimal we are going to multiply by 10. The decimal will move one digit. So this is decimal is here. The decimal will be now 72.0. The decimal will come here. Now the decimal is here, the decimal will come here. Now if we multiply this number by 100. So first multiply simply 72 hundreds are 7200. Put the decimal before one digit here. The decimal was here, now the decimal is shifted two places next. This is decimal was here, now the decimal is here, two places shifted. So this is 720. If we multiply it by 1000, first simply multiply 72,000, 72 into 1000, 72,000. You will put the decimal before one digit. You get the answer 7200. Okay. Next, if we multiply two numbers like 3.5 by one digit, we multiply any decimal number by one digit. This is 9 2s are 18, 1 here, 9 5s are 45 and 1 46, 6 here, 4 here. 9 3s are 27 and 4 31. So you get the answer 31.68. In the question the decimal was before two digits. In the answer also the decimal is before two digits. We can take other number. Suppose we take the number 43 into 29. We multiply it by any two digit number. Suppose we take 75. Here we multiplied by one digit number, here by two digit number. So 5 9s are 45, 5 here, 4 here. 5 2s are 10 and 4 14, 1 here. Then 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. 5 4s are 20 and 1 21. Okay. The method of multiplication is same. Only you have to see the place of decimal. In the next line we will put a cross first. Now we will multiply all these digits by 7. 7 9s are 63. 3 here. 6 here. 7 2s are 14 and 6 20. This is 2 here. 7 3s are 21 and 2 23. 3 here and 2 here. 7 4s are 28 and 2 30. Now we will add these two lines. Okay, this is 5. This is 4 and 3 7. This is 6. 1 and 3 4. This is 2 and this is 3. So this is multiply by one digit. This is multiply by two digits. Now next decimal numbers are there, like we have to multiply 3.7 into 2.5. We can simply multiply these numbers like 37 into 25 without taking decimals. This is 5 7s are 35, 3 is here, 5 3s are 15 and 3 18. In the next line we will put the cross first, then multiply these digits by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 here, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7 here. Now we will add these two lines. 5 8 and 4 12. 1 is here, 1 and 1 2 and 7 9. We get the answer 37 into 25 is 925. Now if we have to multiply 3.7 into 2.5, how to do? Here in this decimal is before one digit. Here also decimal is before one digit. So 1 plus 1 2. In the answer decimal will be before two digits. You have this answer. So you will put the decimal before two digits here. Okay? Because here decimal is before one digit, here also decimal is before one digit. You will add these 1 plus 1 in the answer, the decimal will be before two digits. We take one more example. Suppose we have to multiply 2.89 into 1.5. We will simply multiply the numbers first. 289 into 15. 5 9s are 45. 5 is here. 4 is here. 5 8s are 40 and 4 44. 4 is here. 4 is here. 5 2s are 10 and 4 14. In the next line, first we will put cross. Then we will multiply all these digits by 1. 1 9s are 1. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. So we will add these two lines. Here 5. 4 and 9 13. Here 1. 1 and 4 5. 5 and 8 13. 1 here. 1 and 1 2 and 2 4. So 289 into 15 is 4335. And you have the question 2.89 into 1.5. Here the decimal is before two digits. Here the decimal is before one digit. 2 and 1, 3 digits. In the answer, the decimal will be before 3 digits. Your answer is 4335. The answer will be before 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3 here. This is the answer. This is all about the multiplication of decimals. Now, division of decimals. Suppose you are given any number, suppose 375. You have to divide this number by 10. Write the same number first. You are dividing by 10, so put the decimal before one digit here. If you are going to divide the same number, by 100, write the same number here and put the decimal before two digits because you are dividing by 100. Take the same number. When we divided by 1000, write the same number and put the decimal before three digits here. You can put 0 in front of that. Here you can put 0. So you will get the answer 0.375. Next, how to divide other numbers? Like you have to divide 18 by 4. How to divide? Look here. On both sides whole numbers are there, no decimal is there. So you will simply divide 18 by 4. 4 4s are 16. This is 8 minus 6 2. The sum is not complete. You will put a point here and write 0 here. This 0 will be brought down. Now this is 20. So you will put point here. 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer you get? 4 point. While doing division, you see that decimal is on both sides, like 3.7 divided by 0.5. How you can write it? This is 3.7 means 37 by 10 divided by 5 means 5 by 10. When you do the division of numbers, you will write the first number and by putting the sign of multiply, you will reverse this number, you will write it 10 over 5. So 10 is cut with this 10, okay. You get 37 over 5. Now you will divide the number 37 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 2 is here. You will put a point and divide the 0. 0 is brought down. 20 here. Here also point. 5 4s are 20. One method is this. Other method, you will ignore the decimals given in the question and simply divide 37 by 5 like this. 37 by 5 you will divide and you will get the answer. This is 5 sevens are 35. Same procedure. 5 4s are 20. The decimal is cancelled here because here the decimal is before one digit on this side and on this side also decimal is before one digit. So 1 minus 1 0 means no. So this is simply 37 divided by 5. Okay, you get the answer 7.4. We take now suppose you are given any decimal number 3752 multiply by 6. You are given the answer 6 2s are 12, 1 6 5s are 30 and 1 31, 3 6 7s are 42 and 3 45, 4 6 3s are 18 and 4 22. You can multiply here also. Answer is given to you. You get this answer. You have no need to solve this one. The answer is already given to you. You have to give the position to the decimal. So first part is suppose 3.752. You have to multiply this number by 6. The answer is same. The decimal will be before 1, 2 and 3 as written in the question here. Before 3 digits. And if the decimal is before 2 digits, the answer is this. And in the answer, you have to put the decimal before 2 digits here. Okay. Suppose the number is 0.3752. Here it is 0.6. So answer is same 2, 2, 5, 1, 2. Count the number of places of decimal. Here decimal is before 4 digits. Here before 1 digit. 4 plus 1, 5. In the answer decimal will be before 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. Decimal will be here in the starting. You can put 0 in front of that as a whole number. So this answer is 0.22512. So similarly in the division sums, so you have the question 5294 divided by 2. The answer is 2 2s are 4, 1 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 14, 2 7s are 14. This is the answer you have given. So you have to change the position of decimal. Suppose you have the question 5.294 divided by 2. The answer is same. The decimal is before 3 digits. In the answer also the decimal will be before 3 digits. Okay. Suppose the decimal is before 2 digits. 552.94 divided by 2. The answer is same. The decimal place, here the decimal is before 2 digits. The decimal will be before 2 digits. 26.47. And if the question is 52.94 divided by 0.2, the answer is same. Here the decimal is before 2 digits. Here the decimal is before 1 digit. So 2 minus 1, 1. The decimal is before 1 digit. This is answer. Decimal 2 digits before 2 digits. Here before 1 digit. 2 minus 1. In the answer the decimal will be before 1 digit. And if here on this side you have decimal before 1 digit and here decimal before 2 digits. So opposite is this, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. You have this answer. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 1. You will put 1 0 here with this answer. You will get the answer 2647. If the cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 74.50, you have to find the cost of 5 liters of petrol. From the statement it's clear that the sum is of multiply. We are given the cost of 1 liter of petrol. Rupees 74.50. When the cost of one thing is given and you have to find the cost of more than one thing, the sum is of multiply. Now you have to find the cost of 5 liter of petrol. This is rupees 74.50 into 5. That means P72.50. Okay. If 8.50 liter of milk is distributed among 25 children, how much milk will each child get? So the answer is total milk you have 8.50 liter. In how many children it is to be distributed? Number of children are 25. So each child will get milk. This is 8.50 divided by 25. We will divide this. We will simply divide 850 by 20. 25 3s are 75. 10 here. Now 0 is brought down. 100. 25 4s are 100. You have the answer 34. You will put the decimal before 2 digits like in the question here. So you get the answer 0.34 liter.